Election fervor is certainly gripping up the country, and especially in Kerala. And I have with me Dr. Shashi Tharoor, who's representing Trivandrum and is contesting for the fourth time. Sir, what do you think about these elections?
Look, it's an exciting election on the whole for the country. For me, in Thiruvananthapuram, it's a fourth time, which if I win would be a record for this, because no one has ever. Only one person has won 3 times, and that too was for a year and a half, one of the terms. So I'm already the record holder, but this will be a totally new record, and I'm looking forward to setting it. That's my thing in Thiruvananthapuram. Nationally, it looks like there is a bit of a mahal in our favour around the time of the first round of voting, so we're hoping it will continue.
Sir, definitely, if you come back to power this time around as well, what developments will this region particularly will see?
Well, definitely we're wanting to bring our alliance to power in Delhi, which will of course give me a greater opportunity to get things done here, because some of my bigger challenges here, I've had the frustration of not having the cooperation needed from the central government and the state government. One classic example is today I went to the coastal area where there is a very serious problem of coastal erosion. I've raised it 20 times in Parliament in the last 10 years. I've written to 3 different ministers. I've raised questions in the Lok Sabha, and I've written to the Prime Minister. Constantly the central government says it's not our problem, it's the state government's responsibility. Go to the state government, they say they don't have the money. And meanwhile, people are dying, they're losing homes, the sea is literally consuming the beach, the coastal road, everything in many parts of my constituency.
You have recently said in an interview that as far as this constituency is concerned, that BJP has emerged as a strong player. What do you have to say? How do you react to it?
Well, that's because the last 2 elections they came second. And this is the only place in Kerala they've come second twice. So obviously this is their strongest constituency. And they put forward a central minister who's making a good fight of it. My own view at the moment is that the fight is actually for second place between him and the CPI ex-MP who is contesting. I believe I'm ahead. That's the impression I have from all the journalists who've been covering the campaign, all the people I see on the streets and in the villages, and also the surveys, including the 2 leading newspapers in the state have both brought out surveys in which I'm leading, one by 10, one by 8. So I don't think I have to worry very much about the victory.